Unlock professional portraits and dramatic scenes by mastering your Sony A1's external flash. First, let's ensure your Speedlight is properly mounted onto the camera's hot shoe. Ensure it clicks securely into place now. Power on your Speedlight on your Sony A1. Navigate to the camera menu. Locate the flash settings section here. You'll want to set your camera out to recognize the Speedlight. Depending on your Speedlight, you might need to select a specific flash mode, such as TTL, which stands for through lens metering. This is the most common and easiest mode for automatic exposure. Inside flash settings, access flash control. You can choose your preferred flash mode here. For balanced lighting, TTL is your best friend, allowing the camera to calculate the correct flash output if your Speedlight supports it. Explore remote control options. This lets you control your off-camera flash directly from your camera body, giving you incredible creative freedom. For off-camera flash, ensure your Speedlight is set to a receiver mode that matches your camera's transmitter or your Speedlight's trigger system. This could be optical synchronization or radio synchronization on your Sony A1. You'll need to enable the flash control or remote commander function in the menu to wirelessly trigger and manage your off-camera Speedlight. One of the simplest yet most effective techniques is to bounce your flash. Instead of pointing the Speedlight directly at your subject, swivel the flash head upwards or to the side towards a white ceiling or wall. The light will then soften and spread more evenly across your subject, creating a much more flattering and natural look. Experiment with the angle of the flash head to control the direction and quality of the bounced light. For more advanced control, switch to manual flash mode on your Speedlight. This allows you to set the flash power output from full power down to smaller increments. Combine this with manual camera settings, and you gain complete control over both ambient light and flash exposure, enabling you to create dramatic silhouettes or precisely lit scenes. Remember to adjust your camera's ISO, aperture, and shutter speed in conjunction with your flash power for the perfect exposure. By understanding these settings and techniques, you can transform your Sony A1 into a portable studio, achieving polished and imaginative results in any shooting scenario.